Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video I have an exciting shortcut to show you for those mornings when you as a teacher, or if you're not a teacher and it's just you're sitting down in the office and you have all these tabs to open. I'm going to show you a quick shortcut on how to do that quickly in one click. Yes, one click. So follow me over to Google Chrome and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here we are in Google Chrome, and I have my bookmarks bar activated. So if you do not have yours activated for this awesome shortcut, you will want to do that. So you're going to follow over here to the three dots, click on bookmarks, and click on show bookmarks bar. And if you do not already know how to set up your Chrome bookmarks bar to have easy, quick shortcuts to your most used sites, I am linking one of my videos below that will show you exactly how to do that. So take a look at the other video and you'll find out how to do that. So across my bookmarks bar, I have my shortcuts, but if you remember, you are also able to right click and add a folder. So if I hit add a folder, I can name that folder whatever I want. So I've created one here called Daily Tools. And in this folder, I've started putting sites that I might use every day. So if I'm a teacher or just any work person coming into my office, these are 4 of the tabs that I would want to have open for me to present lessons to my students. Now I'm going to show you to review how to put one in there. So here is another website that I might use as a teacher. It's the brainingcamp.com site. So I'm just going to take that, and all I have to do is drag and drop this into the folder to create that shortcut. And notice now Braining Camp has joined these 4 other apps that I might want to have open every day. So instead of me having to come and click on RenWeb, log in, come and click on Google Classroom, come and click on my slideshow, Think Central, Braining Camp, all separately, I'm going to open them in one fell swoop. So here I am, I'm entering my office, my classroom for that morning, going to my bookmarks bar, and I'm going to right click on that Daily Tools folder that I named. And notice my choices up here is open. I can open all 5 of them right here. I can open them in a new window. I can go incognito, or I can create a new tab group. So I'm just going to click on open all 5 and watch what happens. So in one fell swoop, one click of the button, right click and open, I've opened all of those tabs. Now let me close them real quick. And let's look at the tab group also. So I'm going to right click on Daily Tools again, and I'm going to open these in a new tab group. So notice it has created this group for me called Daily Tools, and this is a fairly newer feature that I do have another video on. And I can color code this group and what have you. So then I can click on Daily Tools, close it or expand it, and it gives me more room to open more tabs across my toolbar. So again, that was right clicking, and I created these into a tab group, which will then contract and expand it as needed so I have more room on my toolbar. So to create this shortcut, you will want to have a folder created on your bookmarks bar that contains all of the shortcuts that you want to have open at the same time. Then you will want to right click, and you can open them in various ways here. Right click and then choose how you want them to open. So I hope that shortcut helps you to save a little bit more time in your morning rush and routine and make you just a little bit more efficient as you start your day. Enjoy! Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope that shortcut was something to help make you more efficient. And, I hope you can find something useful throughout my videos. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech needs. And I do hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.